Every 11 seconds, a company somewhere in the world is hit by a cyber attack. In Canada, businesses are struggling to find skilled people to protect their data. The good news is that you do not need 10 years of experience or a Canadian degree to get started. If you're an immigrant, a student, or even planning to move to Canada, cybersecurity could be your way in. Today, I will show you why the demand is so high, what skills you need, which certifications matter, and the exact steps to break into the field in 2025. Welcome back. My name is Olu, and this is where tech, careers, and new opportunities meet. If you have been struggling to land your first job in Canada, or you want a career that pays you well and will always be in demand, cybersecurity is one of the smartest choices. Let's break it down step by step. In 2024, Canada recorded more than 70,000 cyber incidents. These include ransomware attacks, phishing scams, and large-scale data breaches. Companies are under pressure to follow strict privacy and data protection laws, and the risk of failure is too high to ignore. The truth is, every sector is vulnerable. Banks, hospitals, schools, and even government offices are all potential targets. This is why cybersecurity has been placed on Canada's critical skills list. That means it's not just a priority for employers, but also for immigration programs such as express entry and professional nominee programs. The risk is growing faster than the number of skilled workers, and that is where migrants like you can step in. Many people believe cybersecurity is only for coding geniuses who spend all day writing complex programs. That is not the reality. The skills that matter are much more approachable. First, you need to understand the basics of networking. This means how computers talk to each other, how firewalls protect systems, and how data moves across networks. Second, you need risk awareness. You should be able to spot suspicious activity, recognize unusual patterns, and think ahead about where threats might come from. Third, you need problem-solving skills. When an attack happens, you may be the person who has to respond quickly, assess the damage, and recommend the next steps. Finally, you need communication skills. Cybersecurity is not only about technology. It is also about explaining risk to managers and decision makers who may not be technical at all. The tools you will likely use include monitoring systems such as Splunk, firewall and endpoint protection software, and cloud security platforms. Basic scripting in Python or Bash can also help, but you can learn that along the way. The most important thing is to start with the fundamentals and build step by step. Employers in Canada trust certifications. The best place to start is with the Computer Security Plus certification. It is recognized everywhere in Canada and proves that you understand the basics of cybersecurity. If you want to go deeper, the Certified Ethical Hacker is a strong option for more advanced professionals. There is the CISSP certification, but you do not need that at entry level. Another area you should look into is cloud security. Many Canadian companies are moving their systems to the cloud. So having AWS, Azure, or Cloud and Google Cloud certification is a major advantage. Certifications do not replace real skills, but they show employers that you are serious and can reduce the Canadian experience barrier that many newcomers face. Now let's talk about pay. An entry-level security analyst in Canada can expect to earn between $65,000 to $75,000 a year. A mid-level role such as SOC analyst or penetration tester often range from $90,000 to $110,000. A senior role such as security architect or chief information security officer can go beyond $150,000. The career path usually starts with IT support, then moves into security analyst role, from there into more specialized or senior positions. The growth is steady, and once you're in, opportunities to advance are everywhere. So how do you break in if you are new to Canada or planning to move here? The first step is to learn the fundamentals. There are free resources on YouTube, Coursera, and platforms such as Cybersecurity. The second step is to get a starter certification. Computer Security Plus is affordable, widely recognized, and can be your entry ticket. The third step is to apply for entry positions. They can be IT support roles, help desk jobs, or tier 1 sub positions. They may not look glamorous, but they open the door. The fourth step is to build a portfolio. Do not only tell employers what you know, show them. Document your lab, your home network setup, or your personal projects. Recruiters love to see proof. The fifth step is to network. Join LinkedIn groups, attend local meetups, and connect with recruiters. Cybersecurity is a trust-based field, and many jobs are shared through networks before they ever reach public job boards. The sixth step is to align your immigration pathway with your career goals. Provinces such as Ontario have tech-focused pilot programs, and express entries now prioritize critical fields such as cybersecurity. That means your skills can literally boost your immigration score. I know newcomers who started in IT support and became SOC analysts within a year. They focused on Security Plus, practiced with labs, and stayed consistent. That is proof that it is possible. Cybersecurity is not just another career, it's a job security. Attacks are increasing, and Canada needs skilled people now more than ever. If you're an immigrant, do not wait until you have the perfect profile. Start learning today, get certified, apply for entry-level roles. Every expert you admire once started as a beginner. So keep learning, keep building, and I'll see you in the next one.